Find interior and exterior angles of a polygon. Pause the video and do the following things. Draw a polygon, mark the interior and exterior angles of the polygon, and also write down a fact that you know about exterior angles of a polygon. Here is our polygon. In this case, I've drawn a pentagon. The interior is the inside angle. The exterior angle, it's not the full outside angle, it's just the angle on the outside if you were to draw a line continuing on from each side. So if I was to draw the second side here and continue it on, I would then get this, and there's another exterior angle. Continuing on, there's an exterior, exterior, and exterior. So the exterior angle is on the outside, but it just is on a straight line with the interior angle. The fact that you should know about exterior angles is if you add up the exterior angles, the sum of exterior angles is 360 degrees. You can now pause the video and have a go at example 1. Now there are a number of ways to do this question. We could work out this inside angle here because we've got a four-sided shape, and we can work out this one, and then we can work out y because they're on a straight line. Another approach would be to look at the exterior angle, so just to do it slightly differently. If you've done it different in yours, doesn't matter. If you've got it right, it's absolutely fine. But if we just use the fact that we previously wrote down, that the sum of exterior angles is 360, then we could look at all the exterior angles. It's hard for me to draw these straight, so bear with me. So this one's 130, so on the outside you would have 50. 75 away from 180 would be 105. And 43 away from 180 would be 137. Then if we add these four angles up, the y, the 50, the 105, the 137, those four angles are the exterior angles of polygons, so they should add up to 360. Now the first three angles, 105, 50, and 137, they add to 292. So y is going to be 360 minus the 292. Which gives you 68 degrees. Now, as I say, there's other ways to do that, and you may not have laid it out exactly the same way. That's just a really good way to form an equation which examiners quite like, and then you can solve the equation. So it's something to aim for in your work. Exterior angles in a regular polygon. So we're not just looking at any polygon like previously, we're looking at ones which are regular. Can you pause the video and write down any facts you would know how to find out one exterior angle in a regular polygon? So to work out an exterior angle in a regular polygon, you do 360 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. I'll say that again. One exterior angle in a regular polygon will be 360 divided by the number of sides, because the number of sides will equal the number of angles, the number of exterior angles. You can pause the video and have a go at example 2. Example 2, find y. So to find y, we need to know how many sides this shape has to find out what n is. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a six-sided shape, so n is 6. To work out the size of y, the exterior angles add up to 360. Now, if you've got 6 of them, and they're all the same size because it's regular, we would do 360 divided by 6, which is 60 degrees. Okay, That's because each of these here are all the same size because it's regular, and you know that they add up to 360 in total, so you're dividing 360 by 6.